Yeah. So
But you can see
I've been it's my video. Alright, so it was just another day with just me chilling by myself. You are so short you can't even no one can even see you. Alright? Don't worry, I'll edit. I'll remove it. I'll take it out in the edit. So
what edit?
What edit? What you mean what edit? Okay.
Anyway, this is how you take the video. You had such what did you say? It was just another day?
Chilling with the homie.
Chilling with the
I need
homie.
to include her in this.
You know?
We saw things.
Yes, we did.
We saw things.
Now, I don't know if I should say this, but ladies,
yo,
if
that
you
is
can
for real
walk
though.
up them stairs
With confidence.
with confidence,
At least make sure you're walking up to the right place.
just be sure that you know where you're going, okay, girl? You don't want to now be messing up somebody's.
like other things, thinking, this should be fun.
And African time, we understand it, nah? But listen here. Don't walk up those stairs with confidence with African time while you are on African time, okay?
No, but like for real though, I got me, né? I got you. We saw things. But shout out to her though. You know, she was looking good.
Oh no, she looked good.
You know,
She looked good. You know, red is a
Red and
nice.
black, you know,
red is such a beautiful color. We love it.
If you see this video and that happens to be you,
Hi. How you doing?
with your late ass.
Are you okay? You thought you was just gonna sneak in there, huh? And think ain't nobody gonna see you.
My question is, like what I want to know is, what did they say? when she wrote that,
What would you say?
I imagine her just walking out like, hey.
Ooh.
Show me, nippy.
And actually making the call right there while you're standing there.
With them.
But like, hey,
girl.
yes, I am
I'm
at that
here,
place,
like,
but
but
where
like-
are you?
Who are these people? Who are these randoms? Kanti, you're the random. But anyway, shout out to her though.
Shout out, girl. You
shout out to
handled
her.
that with power.
No, you did.
We don't know how, but you did, girl.
No lies, we're gonna be making jokes about you for a while from now
Like,
on.
don't worry about that. Like, if
gonna
you
be-
see anybody walking up the stairs and wearing red,
She's already started.
woo,
So we're gonna be making jokes about you.
girl.
But nonetheless though, shout out to Pearly.
Shout out.
You know,
Hey.
she is the homie. Shout out to these two homies right here.
Hello.
You know?
Hello. Say hi.
You know?
Yes.
No idea who they are.
No idea. But anyway, we move on.
I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know if we're allowed to post other people's kids though.
I don't think we are, but
Alright.
anyway. One thing before we
One last thing.
one last thing.
When you're gonna be going to Kloofendal Nature Reserve, just remember.
No church services here.
Ayisibulele yona.
Just one thing.
Kusasa.
Besi ready.
Kusasa. Kade sizoscout indawo kusasa.
Besobuka nje ukuthi
Kungasodaba nomfundisi bathe sesazi sombekaphi. So yeah, nah, but
don't do that.
Honestly though, Kloofendal Nature Reserve, shout outs.
Hey,
Them rules.
what it do?
Anyways, we're going home, man.
We going home.
Stevie King, I'm outie. God loves you.
Peace.